This video is about Supernote Card, which is an online pre-writing program that you will be using to write all of your essays. So the first step is to create an account. So go to supernotecard.com and click on create an account. Make sure that when you are creating your account that you use your school email address. Okay, so make sure that you are using your school email address with the .edu at the end because it will be connecting it to my account that I paid for. Okay, and you can type in whatever password you want. Okay, make sure to change it to Pacific time if you like. Okay, and you click on save. After you create an account, you log in and you scroll down to where it says your membership and click on join a group and type in the code that I gave you on our website. This will connect you to my account, which I paid for, and you will be able to use it for the rest of the year. Now you're ready to create your Supernote card for your essay number 1. So again, it is a pre-writing program that you do your pre-writing thoughts and you organize your ideas into body paragraphs. So you click on start a project. Type in whatever title you want. Most students just write essay number 1. Okay? And if you like, you can change your size to whatever you want, but I suggest at least 16 because it just makes it easier to read. Okay? And you click on save. Once you create your essay number 1, you'll see that there's absolutely nothing, which is great because this is where you'll be starting to think about your essay. So there's a plus sign, and it's really important for you to understand there are 2 things going on with Supernote Card. It says add a card and add a deck. So I'm going to add a deck, and I'm also going to add a card. So deck is kind of like your body paragraphs or your paragraphs. So think of cards go inside a deck, right? It's kind of like playing cards, right? You put cards inside your deck. So each deck is a paragraph, and each card is your individual ideas that you will be writing down, and it will go inside your deck. Okay, so do you see how I just did that? I moved the deck inside. I moved the card inside of the deck. I just created this Supernote card for your essay number 1, which, as you can see, has 4 decks. So there's an introduction deck, which is your paragraph. There's a body paragraph number 1 deck. There's a body paragraph number 2 deck, and there's a conclusion deck. Now, if you're going to write a 5-paragraph essay, you'll just click on add a deck, right, and make this your body paragraph number 3. Okay. And then so here it is, body paragraph number 3. And the neat thing is you can move these decks around. So obviously body paragraph number 3 comes here, right? So now you can move things along. Here's a student sample of an essay number 1. And as you can see, there's introduction deck, there's a conclusion deck, and there's 3 body paragraphs, right? And just by glancing at it, you can tell that body paragraph number 1 is going to be about mother, body paragraph number 2 is going to be about illness, and body paragraph number 3 is going to be about homelessness. So let's go into the introduction deck, and it looks like she has 3 cards in here. And first card is a hook, second card is the bridge, and the third card is the thesis statement. And if you just double click on each one, you can see that here's the hook. Okay, here's the bridge, and here's a thesis statement. Let's go into body paragraph number 1, which is about the mother, right? Now, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, and up here, this is where you'll be writing your topic sentence. Okay, so this is really important. So make sure that each body paragraph has a topic sentence. And so here's a topic sentence. Living under my mother's shadow was never easy, and this was the first major obstacle that has shaped who I am today. Now, just by reading her topic sentence, you can tell what this essay is going to be about, right? Obstacle that shaped who I am today, and it sounds like there's 3 of them, and the first major obstacle is going to be about her mother. So just by reading her topic sentence, you can see that her essay is going to be very organized because her first body paragraph is going to be about her mother, right? And her whole entire essay is about obstacles that shaped who I am today. And here are 5 things that she's going to be talking about. Okay. And so here are her 5 cards. Okay. And it's in order and you can see that it's in order, and she has lots to write about, and this is her whole entire body paragraph number 1. Same thing with body paragraph number 2, right? Here's her topic sentence, and she has 1, 2, 3, 4 cards in here. And then same thing with her body paragraph number 3. Here's your topic sentence, and she has 4 cards in here. Now you should have at least 4, if not 5 or 6 cards, okay? And so again, you just click on plus and a new card pops up, and you can type whatever you want, right? You can type up all your ideas, and you can move things along. After you've written all of your cards and you've moved things along, right, now you're ready to actually start writing your essay. So a couple things about this. There's a 3-line bar here, and there's things that you can do to it, edit. Let's say I want to delete it, right? There's nothing on here, so I'm going to delete it, okay? And so now everything is in order. The next step that you're going to be taking is you will be exporting it. Okay, so again, you click on the 3 lines up here, and then you click on export. A couple ways you can export it. You can export it Google Docs. Okay, if you're going to be writing your essay in Google Docs, you can do that. Word document or PDF. I'm just going to click on PDF for today. Okay. And so here it is. So it's downloading. So here's the PDF file that I just downloaded. And everything that you wrote, all of the decks, all of the cards are here in order for you. So if you had done it in a Google Docs, literally your essay is halfway written for you, right? Because here's your hook. Okay, maybe you want to change a few things, right? Obviously, you're going to be deleting some of the things, right? Making it into a body paragraph, okay? And so here's the body paragraph number 1 about mother, right? Body paragraph 2 about illness, okay? Body paragraph 3 about homelessness, and here's the conclusion. So again, your essay is pretty much written for you, and it's in order, okay? And this is what you will be handing in when I will be doing your SuperNote card check-ins, right? So make sure that you export it. Again, the 3 bars, export it however you want to export it, Google Docs, Word, or PDF format. Okay, and you're going to upload it into the assignment so that I can check on it, and I will be giving you pointers. Okay, I may say something like, hey, you know what, your body paragraph number 1 is a little bit disorganized, or I may say something like, you know, your body paragraph number 2 it overlaps with your body paragraph number 1, so maybe you might want to change it. So this is a way for me to give you feedback before you spend too much time writing your essay, because so many times students will turn in a completed essay. Okay, and I look at it and I'll say, you know what, I'm sorry, but you're totally off topic. You're going to have to rewrite your whole entire essay. So you don't want to hear that, right? Because you've already spent days and days writing your essay. So this way, I can give you pointers before you start writing your essay, and I can give you pointers on how to move things along, right? I can say, you know what, move this card over. This should be here, right? Your intro, your thesis statement has to be totally changed. And so I'll be giving you pointers about your SuperNote card outline, and then once you get my approval, you can start writing your essay. So this is a really great program to use. So again, this is mandatory. You might want to just, play around with it, okay, and see what it offers. It's a really great format, and we will be using it for all of your essays, and it will come in very handy for your last research paper.